Hey there! This week's hot new product comes courtesy of ISC Suspension. It is yet another ISC unboxing. I think this is number 3. Is it number 3? Thanks a lot, guys. This isn't just here for no reason. These are coilovers and maybe some other goodies for Julia's Hyundai Genesis. That's being built here in-house. Without further ado, because I can't tell much of it from the outside other than a very cool box, let's get into this. Decals. Thanks, ISC. Oh, what? We didn't get these last time. Coilover air fresheners. Pretty rad. Okay, we've opened lots of ISC stuff in the past, but we've never gotten really cool swag like this. Really rad mustard tiger shirt. Alas, we have some ISC products. So first things first, these really sweet nylon coilover bags. I'm a big fan of these. If you live somewhere like we do, where you get all 4 seasons and dirty roads come with the winter, these will protect your coilovers in all seasons. So this is a nice touch to go with your coilovers. What's that? More stickers? Hell yeah. Adjustment knobs and coilover wrenches, which are giving us a hint at what's coming in the rest of this box. First of all, those are really cool coilover wrenches with the engraved logo in them. Big fan of that. ISC's signature gold and the adjustment knobs. What we're really here for is these. Ooh, not even assembled yet, so we get to play around with this. Let me get everything out of the box and we'll cut to some TV magic. Give me a second. So everything is out of the box and out of its packaging. First of all, these are really nice. Before we get into the coilovers, just take a look at these. They're all Velcro, so installing these on your coilovers is easy. Is wrapping it up, securing it, and they include some zip ties for you to secure the tops and bottoms to really prevent the dirt or salt or whatever is around you from getting inside your coilovers. They were also nice enough to include some sway bar end links that look really nice as well. And these will obviously mount up to your front coilovers. Speaking of which, these look really nice. So these are ISC's N1 flagship coilover with street sport spring rates. They're very similar to ISC's basic coilover setup. The only difference is it doesn't come with a top-mounted camber plate. However, it has this beautiful gold top mount. So they were also nice enough to include the ISC upgraded titanium hardware you can see all across the top for Julia. Nice little touch in ISC's signature gold. So these are obviously the fronts with your provisions for mounting to the knuckle, as well as something for your brake lines, and obviously the top hats. Like I said, these are just like the basic coilover setup without the camber plate on top, but it also still has the 32 degrees of adjustment, variable spring rates. So because of the suspension geometry of the Hyundai Genesis Coupe, both this piece here, your typical adjustment, and this interesting piece here with the separated spring are going to be adjusting your ride height. So here's one, this is your wishbone ride height adjustment, and the other one here is your trailing arm wishbone adjustment. So some of you that own a Hyundai Genesis probably already know that your rear suspension is a little weird. You have your regular strut part, and then next to it, you're going to have this spring. So these are going to sit parallel with each other on your rear wishbone suspension. This will be a little further in the car. This is going to be closer to your wheel. You'll have to adjust these in tandem. They are both height adjustable. Obviously, the regular way on these bad boys, and then with this cool little device for the wishbone ride height adjustment, just a simple Allen key. It's almost like a V-band would tighten and loosen. They were nice enough, like we mentioned before, to include not only some really cool coilover wrenches with the engraved logo, your dampening adjustment knobs, and there's 4 of them, so one for each coilover. Those, as you might expect, are going to go right in through the top. You'll insert your dampening adjustment knob right through the top on these, as well as these, I believe. Yep. And that's where you can adjust your 32 clicks of dampening adjustment. All in, really nice, comprehensive coilover suspension kit, including something weird for you Genesis people. And they were very nice enough to include the end links as well. Really happy about that. Also enough air fresheners for everybody in the office. So thanks a lot, ISC, and stickers for everybody as well. T-shirt for Julia. Obviously these guys love to hook it up here. Thank you very much once again. If you're looking for this set of coilovers specifically, or another optioned out set of Genesis coilovers, or any suspension goodies for a wide variety of models, you're gonna wanna head over to iscsuspension-na.com and check out all of their available products. We'll put that link right here, right here. Thanks, ISC.